One of India's most wanted fugitives, Anmol Bishnoi, the 30-year-old accused in dozens of violent crimes across multiple states, has been taken on an 11-day NIA remand by the Delhi's Patiala House Court after being arrested upon landing at the Delhi airport. A native of Punjab's Fazilka district and the younger brother of jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi. He is accused in dozens of violent crimes across multiple states and is considered a key figure in Bishnoi crime syndicate that has expanded its reach across India and abroad. Anmol is widely seen as the operational backbone of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, one of India's most notorious criminal networks. Despite Lawrence being lodged then in Sabarmati Central Jail in Ahmedabad and now in Delhi's jail, his gang continued to run extortion, targeted killings, and international operations through Anmol and fellow gangster Goldi Barar. He is also said to have maintained close links with pro-Khalistan groups such as Babbar Khalsa International. Anmol Bishnoi fled India in 2022 using a forged passport and is believed to have escaped through Nepal before traveling via Dubai and Kenya to the United States. Investigators say Anmol acted as a remote handler for the syndicate while living abroad. He allegedly coordinated shooters and managed finances. US authorities arrested him in November last year after discovering forged documents attached to his asylum plea. The NIA had announced a 10 lakh rupees award for information leading to his arrest. Anmol faces at least 31 criminal cases across Delhi, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. These include conspiracy in the murder of NCP leader and former Maharashtra minister Baba Siddiqui, claiming responsibility for the firing outside Salman Khan's residence, involvement in the killing of Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala. Beyond these high-profile cases, he is linked to extortion networks, targeted shootings, arms procurement and aiding gang operatives with shelter and finances. Security agencies consider Anmol's deportation a major breakthrough. They believe he is the missing link between the gang's overseas masterminds and its on-ground operatives in India.